Hi everyone. Today in this video I am going to show you OpenClaude free unlimited using MIMO version 2.5 Pro. I have already installed Node.js. Let's check the Node version. Go to Windows Search. Type cmd. Click on Command Prompt. Type Node -v. Press Enter. Now you can see the Node version 24.15.0. Now check npm version. npm -v. Press Enter. Now you can see the npm version 11.12.1. Now I am going to install OpenClaude. Minimize command prompt. Go to web browser. Go to Google search. OpenClaude. Quick. Install. Press Enter. Click Show More. Scroll down. Now this command install OpenClaude on Windows. Copy this command. Minimize web browser. Go to command prompt. Paste the copied command here. Press Enter. Now open code installing. It will take some few minutes. Now OpenClaude is installed. It is showing upgradation available for npm. I will leave as default npm version. Type cls. Press Enter. Type OpenClaude. Press Enter. Now OpenClaude is open here. Assessing workspace. Yes, I trust this folder. Press Enter. OpenClaude use default model, Minimax M 2.5 free. Type here, /model. Press Enter. It will showing models. Default is Minimax M 2.5 free. Press Enter. Type /provider. Press Enter. Option 1. Add provider. Press Enter. These are some model here. Pick a preset, complete the details it needs. I will choose GitLab Open Gateway. Press Enter on it. It's showing MIMO version 2.5 Pro. Press Enter. Choose option 5, done, press Enter. Scroll up. Now our current model is changed, but it's showing Minimax. You need to close command prompt. Now open command prompt again. Run OpenClaude again. As you can see the model MIMO version 2.5 Pro. Type hi. Press Enter. Hi, how can I help you today? Create a resume template and save it on desktop. Press Enter. Do you want to create resume template.html? Default is yes. Press Enter. Now it's creating a resume template and save on my desktop. It's showing. Done, save to desktop. As you can see this resume template file. Let's right click on it. Click Open. Click just once. Now you can see the resume template. So viewers, in this video tutorial you can see how to install OpenClaude, how to change model and how OpenClaude works free use. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.